Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make this really cute bralette to match our shorts. That's why it has this little cute little see-through look going on. It has a lot of stretch, super duper cute, super duper size adjustable, works up super fast, y'all. I promise y'all it works up so fast. But my shorts worked up fast too. But yeah, yo, I really love this top. I think I did a little sign, like it is real cute. I don't know why I added this random bead on the end of it, but anyways, let's get into the video. Materials. So you're gonna need your scissors, your 3.5mm hook, you need your center color, your petal color, and then whatever your main color would be. And now I'm about to show you how to do it. Alright, remember I'm not going into detail for this part because I already have a tutorial out for this flower, but I'm gonna do 16 double crochets instead of doing 8 then increasing to get our 16. We're just gonna jump straight into it and do our 16 double crochets, and I'll meet you back once I have my 16 double crochets completed. Okay, now I have my 16 double crochets done. I'm just gonna single crochet to the top. Y'all should already know this if you watch my flower motif video. And now the next thing I'm gonna do, this is gonna be completely off camera because it's all in my video. For my daisy number 2, I'm just gonna work my petals and then I'm gonna come back and show you how to form this really super cute top. Okay, so my flower is done. What we're gonna do is find one top of a petal. You're gonna insert your yarn. I'm gonna insert your hook, chain 1, then we're gonna single crochet in this same space. Now we're going to chain 3. We're gonna do extended double crochet together with a treble crochet. And we're going to chain 2, and we're going to single crochet increase on this petal, and single crochet 1, chain 2, then single crochet. Now we are going to chain 2. We're going to extended double crochet and treble crochet this side together. We're going to chain 2. We're going to single crochet to this petal. Now we're going to chain 4. We're going to single crochet to this petal. Now we are going to chain 2, extended double crochet, and treble crochet this together. We're going to chain 3. We're going to do our single crochet increase, so single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet in that same space. Now we're going to chain 2. We're going to do our extended double crochet and treble crochet this side together. Now we're going to chain 3. We're going to single crochet on this petal. We're going to chain 4, single crochet to this petal. Now we are going to chain 2. No, actually, yeah, that's right. We chain 2, then we're going to extended double crochet and treble crochet this side together. Then we're going to chain 2, and now we're going to do our single crochet increase here. So if I can get it, hold on. So single crochet, chain 2, then single crochet. Now we're going to chain 2, double crochet, extended double crochet, and treble crochet this side together. And now we're going to chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch to this space. And now you'll cut off your yarn, and we're going to go to the next part. Okay, so now that we have that done, you should have your bottom and your top. So you should be able to kind of tell where's the top and where's the bottom, because it will kind of naturally form. We're going to turn our piece, and we're going to begin working in this corner space where we did our chain 2. Insert your hook, chain up 1, and we're going to place a double crochet here. Now we're going to chain 6 and single crochet into this following gap space. Chain 6 and single crochet on top of this single crochet. Now we're going to chain 6 and single crochet into this gap. Chain 6 and single crochet into the top of this join together. Now we're going to chain 4 and we're going to double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet into that middle space, chain 4, single crochet into the top of that join, chain 6 and single crochet into this gap, chain 6 single crochet into this single crochet space, chain 6, and we're going to single crochet into the gap space right in front of your corner increasing, chain 6, and we're going to double crochet into that join. Now what you'll do from here on out, so for every other row until you get your desired length, chain 1, turn, double crochet on top of that first double crochet to start, chain 6, single crochet to the previous chain 6, chain 6, go into this space, chain 6, go into the next gap, chain 6, go into that gap, chain 6, go into our chain 4. Now we're going to chain 4 and we're going to double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet, chain 4, single crochet into that chain 4, chain 6, single crochet into the chain 6, chain 6, single crochet into that chain 6, chain 6, single crochet into that chain 6, chain 6, single crochet into your last chain 6 space, and we're going to chain 6, and then we're going to place a double crochet into the double crochet that we started with, and you're just going to constantly repeat that until you have your desired amount of rows. I'm in a double D, and I did that for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So I'm going to do my 5 rows, then I'm going to show you how to do it to finish your piece off. Okay, so as you're working, you'll notice your piece going like this. It's completely normal. This is the exact look that we want because it's really cute, and they give you a nice little cute under boob look. And since our shorts are pretty much visible, showing everything. We want our top to reflect that as well, while still being a nice bit of coverage. Okay, now once you have your desired amount of rows done, you're gonna chain 1, turn, and we're just gonna single crochet to give it that nice little clean finish that we did for our shorts, so it'll still have that little uniform look. So I'm gonna place a single crochet in every regular stitch I have, so that means our double crochet at beginning and end, and a double crochet, and a single crochet on top of the single crochets we have. And for however many you chained, that's how many single crochets you'll want in the space. So since I have 6 chain spaces, I'll have 6 single crochets. Then I have a single crochet space, and I'll single crochet on top of that. And we'll continue that, and I'll meet you to show you what to do once you get to your point. Okay, so once you get to your point, you're gonna do a single crochet to the top of that double crochet, 1 single crochet in the gap, then you're gonna start doing your next chain. So for mine, I did 75. So I'm gonna do my 75, then I'm gonna come back to show you what to do from that point on. Okay, now I have my chain 75 done. I added this random bead over here, so I'm just gonna do the same thing over here, which is what you'll see here. So now I'm just gonna single crochet back down this row, slip stitch back down this row, but you can single crochet, half double, or double crochet depending on the amount of security you feel like you'll need. So that's all I'm doing, just slip stitching back down this row, and I'll meet you once I get back to the end. Okay, so I slip stitch my way down my necktie. So what we're gonna do is single crochet in that gap again, and then single crochet onto the top of that double crochet. Now remember, every chain you have, that's how many single crochets you'll do in the gap. Place a single crochet on top of your single crochets, and then place a single crochet into this double crochet that you did, and I'll meet you back at that point. Okay, so I finished my side B. Just gonna cut this off, leave a tail so I can weave this in. And the next part you'll do is begin to make a chain long enough to tie however you see fit. So that's what I'm about to start doing. I don't know how long I'm gonna make my chain, because usually when I'm doing bag ties, unless it's like a specific design, I just chain up until it feels right. So I'm just gonna keep on doing my little chain, and we're gonna come back and show y'all how to weave it to make it a strap. So I'll come back for that part. Alright, so I have a good bit for my back strap. I'm gonna cut, oh, I almost cut my finger. Gotta be careful with them scissors, but yeah, now we're gonna just tie this off. So when it's time to weave it in, I'm gonna have my top like this, side A and B. What you'll do is find you a stitch to go through. So I'm gonna fold my piece like this. I'm gonna go through this gap space right here where my first chaining goes into this single crochet. My first bunch of single crochets go into the single crochet that's connecting. So I'm gonna go in this single crochet space, put my yarn through. Now I'm gonna go in there, in the gap space, and then right here where our single crochet is on top of that double crochet, I'm gonna pull my yarn back out, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing for the other side, but hold on, get that through there. You do this, we're going to go into the double crochet space where the double crochet and single crochet meets. Pull that yarn, pull this back tight through there. We're gonna go through the space, and then we're gonna go through where our single crochet is on top of that single crochet, and we're gonna pull through that. And you're going to repeat the same thing to your other side. So what this does is you can pull this however loose or tight you want it, and it'll like adjust to your your breast size, whatever. And it's like a nice cupped fit, and you get a little underboob action. So I'm about to weave in my other end, and then I think I'm going to show y'all it on my mannequin since my shorts are already on my mannequin. So okay y'all, here's the piece. I would have put it on, but I'm about to make a run, so if I do decide to put it on for some pictures, it'll probably be either later tonight or tomorrow, and it'll be posted on my business Instagram and on Facebook. No, actually it might be posted on my designer page, so read that. Designer, no, design, I don't know girl, I forgot my Instagram thing, but I'm gonna put it in the description. But yeah y'all, so cute. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what y'all make. I hope y'all enjoy this. Play around with colors, have fun y'all, do your little thing, and I'll be back for my next video.